So let me explain. हम दोनों father son, we are on a trip. Actually we are going to Bihar for the first time क्योंकि वहाँ पे कोई function and we have to attend it. So that is why kind of a mandatory thing. Otherwise मैं अभी travel नहीं करता. This is why we are flying today and this is the very first time जब हम दोनों साथ में कहीं पे बाहर you can say घूमने के लिए जा रहे हैं. Basically it is not घूमना but I'll take it. Early morning having breakfast. Basically we are eating junk early morning. So we are flying Indigo today and for the first time they have upgraded me to XL without any charges. Thank you so much Indigo. This is pretty much it. This is our morning looks like. We're gonna try and cram in 4,500 kilometers in just 2 days.
First Officer 1 Bakshi and Madam R. Rachna, Princesa, Jimmy and I come here as service members. Members of the crew today speak English, Hindi and Marathi. We are truly elated to have you on board with us today. For Indigo, your well-being is a high priority and all items are thoroughly sanitized before every flight.
So this is my second middle seat within a span of 10 days. Middle seat sucks, but this is XL so I can't complain. The flight time is 1 hour 30 minutes और अभी बज रहे हैं सुबह के 9. So yeah, close to 10:30 should be the arrival.
You got Ladies and gentlemen, we have arrived in Patna.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Please remain seated until the aircraft comes to a complete stop and the seatbelt sign is switched off. Customers are requested to maintain safe distance between each other while they plane in. Please stand up only when you see the person in the row in front of you moving towards the exit. This is for your and your fellow passengers' safety.
My first impression of Bihar, people are really nice. Nice place.
ये गंगा ही है क्या भैया?
ओके नाइस. ये था मेरा बिहार का पहला इम्प्रेशन. नथिंग आउटस्टैंडिंग. लेकिन जैसे ही हम लोग सिटी के बाहर आए, दिस वॉज द व्यू आई सॉ. इट वॉज अ ब्रेथ टेकिंग व्यू. ये ब्रिज गंगा के ऊपर, इट वॉज ईजीली 6 to 8 किलोमीटर्स लॉन्ग. इस ब्रिज का एंड दिखना भी मुश्किल था. इट फेल्ट लाइक इट हैज़ वैनिश्ड इन क्लाउड्स. इट वॉज ब्यूटिफुल.
You got emotion. You got
at the airport. The function was great, the food was really tasty, and I pretty much like Bihar as well. So यहाँ से Delhi and Delhi से Bikaner, it's time to go home.
Turn with all my angry. So what better way than to surround myself with a box of metal? No one really sees my face, but this is not what I wanted. No, I'm not a killer. I'm just having a hard time. Sorry I made you say goodbye.
Seat number 22, middle seat, third time within 10 days. I think Indigo has started to hate me. I don't know. 1.5 hours to Delhi. The time right now is 10. And yeah, going home today.
I don't wanna wait for a place there's no calls. I would run away. You just have to say the word. I don't wanna wait for a place where I sleep on the ground. I wanna park my bike right next to a waterfall. This is not what I wanted.
So there is a slight problem. अभी हम लोग हैं T2 पे, हमारी नेक्स्ट फ्लाइट है T3 पे. टाइम बहुत कम है, ऑलमोस्ट लाइक 1.5 hours. So we have to change terminal. That means we have to go through the security again. It's going to be a mess. हम लोग रश कर रहे हैं टर्मिनल 3 के लिए बिकॉज द नेक्स्ट फ्लाइट इज फ्रॉम देयर. माई रिकमेंडेशन, नेवर बुक अ फ्लाइट फ्रॉम एयर इंडिया. दे सक. Their customer service number is not working and what not. So yeah, but there is only one flight जो बीकानेर तक जाती है, and that is Air India. Can't help it.
Now I'll never be a killer. Please don't give me a hard time.
Delayed. The flight is delayed. अभी हम लोगों के पास में इजीली 1 घंटा है. We are done with the lunch. Air India. (42B) 42B delayed है.
I don't wanna wait for a place there's no calls. I would run away. You just have to say the word. I don't wanna wait for a place where I sleep on the ground. I wanna park my bike right next to a waterfall.
केबिन चार्ज सुशी डॉली मिश्रा तथा केबिन कर्मियों की ओर से बीकानेर को जाने वाली उड़ान पर आपका स्वागत करते हैं.
Third flight in second day. 4,000 kilometers done. 500 more kilometers. 4,500 kilometers. Adventure. There is no phone. I'm sorry. Okay. 4,500 kilometers. The journey is coming to an end. Father son adventure is coming to an end. Oh, can't wait to go home. It's hot.
ध्यान दें, बीकानेर हवाई अड्डे पर आप सभी का स्वागत है। इस समय बाहर का तापमान 35 अंश सेल्सियस है। आपकी जानकारी के लिए बीकानेर एक हवाई अड्डा है, यहाँ फोटोग्राफी एवं वीडियोग्राफी करना सख्त मना है।
In the next episode.